welcome to our math episode. I'm your math teacher for today, Sir Esa. Math isip-isip! So let's go! Matnood at matuto sa Math TV, ayos! Before we start our episode, please bring out your module, your book, your pen, and your notebook to take down some important matters of our lesson. Good luck and enjoy! Today's episode, I will discuss about linear function. Here are our objectives for today's lesson. At the end of our lesson, you are expected to define a linear function. Second, illustrate a linear function. And third, graph linear function. Before we start our lesson, let's have a game first. Identify if the given set of ordered pairs if it is a function or not. Type SF if it is a function. If not, type EC. Learners, are you ready? Let's begin our game. Number 1. What is your answer? Very good, learners. You got the correct answer. Number 2. So what is your answer? Great job, learners. Your answer is correct. And number 3. What is your answer? Bravo, learners! You got the correct answer. Let's discuss about linear function. First, let's define what is linear function. A linear function is defined as a function that has either one or two variables without exponents. It is a function whose graph is a straight line. We have the formula or the standard form of linear function. We have f of x equal to ax plus b. Let's have an example on how to graph linear function. Example number 1. Graph the given function f of x equal now to 3x plus 5 if x equal to 0 and negative 2. What is the value of y if the value of x equal now to 2? First, we're going to find the coordinates or points to graph the given function. Okay, by using our function f of x equal now to 3x plus 5, first, we're going to substitute the values of x from 2. We have f of 2 equal now to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5. And 3 times 2 is equal now to 6. We have now 6 plus 5 is equal now to 11. So the value of f of 2 or value of y is equal now to 11. So we have the point or coordinates 2 for the value of x and 11 for the value of y. What if the value of y if x equal now to 0. With the same procedures or steps, we're going to substitute first the value of x from 0. We have now f of 0 equal now to 3 times 0 plus 5. And 3 times 0 is equal now to 0. 0 plus 5. So the value of f of 0 is equal now to 5. So we have the given points or coordinate. We have 0 and 5. How about the value of y if the value of x equal to negative 2? Okay, with the same procedure, we have f of x equal now to 3x plus 5. Substitute the value of x, we have negative 2. F of negative 2 is equal now to 3 times negative 2 plus 5. And 3 times negative 2 is equal now to negative 6. Negative 6 plus 5 equal now to negative 1. So the value of f of 0 is equal now to negative 1, or we have point negative 2 and negative 1. So let's graph the given coordinates. We have our points, we have 2, 11, 0, 5, and negative 2 and negative 1. So what are the domain of the given function or the values of x? We have 2, 0, and negative 2. For our range, we have 11, 5, and negative 1. First, we're going to plot the given point 2 and 11. So this point belongs to quadrant 1. This is the graph of 2 and 11. The second one, we're going to plot the given point 0, 5. The given point now, or the graph of the given point, belong to y axis. Since the value of x, we have 0. And the third one, we have negative 1 and negative 2 and negative 1 rather. So this belong to quadrant 3. So this is the graph of negative 2 and negative 1. After that, we're going to connect all the given points to make a linear graph or line graph. This is the graph of the given function. For example, number 1. Another example, example number 2. Graph the given function f of x equal now to negative x minus 3 if x equal now to 2, 0, and negative 2. The same procedure for our example number 1. Find the value of y if the value of x equal now to 2 by substituting the values of x. We have now f of 2 is equal now to negative 2 minus 3. And negative 2 minus 3 equal now to negative 5. So the value of f of 2 equal now to negative 5. We have the given point or coordinate 2 for the value of x and negative 5 for the value of y. Okay, how about the value of x equal now to 0? So what is the value for y? First, we're going to substitute now. We have 0 minus 3. And 0 minus 3 equal now to negative 3. So the value of f of 0 is equal now to negative 3. And we have the point 0 and negative 3. Okay, how about the value of x? equal now to negative 2. So what is the value for y? With the same procedure, we're going to substitute the value of x from the given function. We have now f of negative 2 is equal now to negative times negative 2 minus 3. And negative times negative is positive. So we have positive 2. We have now 2 minus 3, and the answer is equal now to negative 1. So the value of f of 0 is equal to negative 1. We have point, negative 2, and negative 1. So let's graph the given points. We have 2, negative 5, 0, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. So what are the domains? We have, or the value of x, we have 2, 0, and negative 2. How about the range? We have negative 5, negative 3, and negative 1 for the values of y. Going to plot first point, we have 2, negative 5 belong to quadrant 4. So this is the graph of the first point. How about the second point? 0 and negative 3. Since the value of x is 0, so these points belong to y-axis. This is the graph of 0 and negative 3. And the last point, we have negative 2 and negative 1. The point belong to quadrant 3. Since we have negative for the value of x and negative for the value of y. So we're going to connect all these points. We make a line graph, or we form a line graph. So this is the graph of the given function, or example number 2. Example number 3, try to solve the given problem. The location of Barangay San Pedro, Muñoz East, and Kiling in the Google map are the following points consecutively: 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. What are the values of domain and range? Graph the given point. We have the domain 1, 2, 3. How about the range? We have 4, 5, and 6. We're going to locate the 3 points. 1, 4 that's belong to quadrant 1. Since they are both positive, also 2, 5 belong to quadrant 1 also. And the point 3, 6 also belong to quadrant 1. So those points all belong to quadrant 1. This is the graph of the given problem or function. That's all for the linear function. Great job, learners! I think you understand our lesson. Let's have an activity. Solve the given problem. Number 1. What is your answer? Very good, learners! You got the correct answer. Number 2. What is your answer? Great job, learners! You got the correct answer. And number 3. What is your answer? Exactly, learners! Your answer is correct. Congratulations, learners! So that's all for today. See you on our next episode on Math TV. Ayos!